Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to week 13 of distance learning. Today is the 14th of June. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Okay, we're going to start off with some positive recognition here. Many of you, I know, do follow us on social media, the different platforms, and Miss Nyborg is working hard to showcase many of the stars of last week. And here they are. So without further ado, Kwesi, grade 6, Quinton, grade 7, Mubarak, grade 8, Fatima, grade 9, Jemin, who just joined recently, grade 10, and Marjorie in grade 11. Well done to all of you, and I know many more of you are working just as hard, really pushing yourselves during this last couple of weeks. But it's really nice to see so many of you have been working exceptionally hard. So please keep up the good work. And I'm very confident all your efforts and all your hard work will come full circle by the end of this year. Okay, so keep doing what you're doing. That's fantastic, everyone. Keep working hard. Okay, speaking of working hard, right, we have our internal assessments this week, and then next week we have our diagnostic assessments. So some of you have already had some of your internal assessments. I know some of you had it even at the end of last week, but this week, from the 14th to the 18th, we have majority of our internal assessments taking place. Okay, and they're coming in different forms, but again, try your best. Make sure this week, top tips are going to be really trying to get the balance right. And again, don't forget, you don't have. I mean, this year is obviously quite unique, but it's important that you understand that, again, this is preparation for you for the years ahead. That's so important. So just try your best. I mean, do as much as you can. Focus on the process, and hopefully the product will take care of itself. Okay? If you need any support with any of those matters, please come back and speak to your teachers. I'm very confident they will happily help. Okay. Next week, the week after, the 21st to 25th, are the diagnostic assessments. I'm just going to talk very briefly on those as well on here. So they will take place in your English and in your math lessons. Okay, and you can see here's an example of the grade 6 schedule. So on the 21st to the 25th, this is when you'll have your reading assessment. So it's a bit like the map, but you're only going to get it in primarily reading, language, and math, and you're not going to have it in science. So don't forget, this allows us to really help and support you and just see where you are, what steps we need to do next, and what your teachers can do to really help and support you and guide your kind of learning pathway so they can really make it really specific and personalized to your learning goals. Okay, so here's the schedule. So there's no preparation as such, just try your best. Do it as authentically and as genuinely as you possibly can. Okay, and that will give us a better understanding of where you're at. And this is the grade 9 to 10 schedule as well. Okay, so I'll send this around so you will have it. Your parents would have got it hopefully last week, but I'll send that around and just try your very best on those diagnostic assessments as well. I saw this the other day, and I think this does summarize 2020 so far. So it says here, if 2020 was an avocado, my gosh, that's what it would look like. But what I have noticed with so many of you is you are so good at adapting. You are continuously looking at ways to go, okay, well, yeah, that's not a great deal there. I got a massive pit, but look, there's still some avocado there. I'll get a hold of that and I'll get whatever I can. And I think that's really important. So just keep being resilient. And this is to parents as well. This is to teachers. We are nearly at the finish line here. Okay, we have another 3 weeks to go, and all of you are doing so well. I cannot emphasize that enough. If you need any support with anything, by all means, we're here to help. But please keep doing what you're doing. You're all doing a fantastic and amazing job. But just keep adapting, keep being resilient. Whatever gets thrown at you, just keep getting past it, and just keep trying your best. Focus on the process. Don't worry about the product as such. the effort will outweigh the outcome. But that's it. Have a fantastic week. That's it for me.